Hi guys, so I can be here today. I have to do training for next year. So this one's easy, so it shouldn't take you too long. Once you're done with this, then maybe you can finish any work that is not completed. We're gonna do wedding planning today, and what I would usually would do with this is do the NL Harmony people be together, but I'm just gonna let you guys pick your own partner. Only two people in a group. Um, so you can plan your wedding with the person that you're there that's with you. Now, if you have two guys and two girls, whatever like that, it's fine. But just plan it like what you would have a wedding if you're going to marry a male or a female like that. Make sure you have all the price points in there. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's take a look at what we're talking about. So open up the NL wedding here. And what it says here is anything in yellow is going to be, you need to type in information. You need to research this stuff. And a lot of the information is going to be on my website, which is also linked in your Google Classroom. So if you go back to here it is. You click on that, and it will bring you right to here. So these three, I'll get back to this in a second, but the wedding rings is not on here. You're gonna have to search this. Okay. Let's move down. Wedding licenses are the thing. So anything in blue, don't touch it. White, we're gonna use these these white drop downs. And if you drop down, you have three options. You have Mom's Dress, David Bridal, which is middle of the road, and Vera Wang is like high end wedding dresses. Okay. So you click on which one you would want to have. Tuxedos, a nice one or a really nice one. Okay, usually guys don't. Usually it's rented tuxedos, so it's gonna be significantly cheaper. All right, than a wedding dress. Obviously, wedding dress is kept. Hair and makeup. So we go back over to my website, and I have this link right here, and it brings you right to. Let's see if it happens. Okay, it took a couple seconds, but it finally opened up here. So you can see how much all the price points for hair and makeup. So it's actually can get pretty expensive, and depending on how many people you have. So like eyelashes and all this stuff. I don't know. This stuff's on my wheelhouse here, King. So um, anyway, so I know it's a big deal for females, obviously, for their wedding day. So you kind of trying to get an idea of how much it's going to cost, and you put it into, where is it now? Wedding dress, hair, and makeup. So you put that price point in the here. All right. What's next? Wedding flowers. This is actually pretty low, but whatever. We're just going to go with it. Favors is usually a little gift on the tables for individual for each guest. Gifts for out of town guests. So usually they'll have some snacks and some like drinks or sodas or water, something like that, for people who are staying in hotels. Okay, then we have another drop down box for amount of flowers. Again, it's low, medium, and high. Venue. So this is where we got to go back to my website, and this is the packages that you have to choose from, and so you just choose which one you want. Sorry, let me just go live. And so if I click on the orchid, sorry, seems not to be working. Okay, the orchid worked, and I'm going to scroll down, and it'll tell you at the bottom here how much it is, pretty much per person. All right. So $119 per person plus $20 catering. I already have the fees, the 20% catering fee in there already, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's about $119 a person. Okay. And then I have the 20% coming in later. All right. So so keep that in mind of how much it is per person, and it'll matter how many people are that are coming to the wedding. So then that's the number of guests, how many people are going to come. You have about usually 100. 100's kind of like on the middle of the road there. So obviously you can go lower, 75 to 100. 100 to 125 it gets a little bit bigger. Then once like 150 to 200, that's getting into a really big kind of a wedding. Okay, beverages. So you can have cash bar, which is everyone pays for their own drinks. Zucchinis is just kind of like cans of beers and things like that, and wine, bottles of wine. Then you have the lily is going to be the lowest one than rose and orchid. So these are going to be more. This is going to be probably the most expensive one. So better drinks for your guests. Okay, cake. What people in the wedding party. So this is people your bridesmaids and your groomsmen and your best man and stuff like that. How many people are in there? And band or DJ, bus or limo. That's on my website. And last one's invitations. So you're gonna go really low, medium, high. Same thing for photography and videographer. Okay. Once you're done with that, I'm gonna ask the teacher to pause this now. And then once you guys are done, we'll go over the next thing. Okay, so hopefully the teacher paused this by now. And what you're going to do is you're going to, once you are done picking out all your options, you're going to double click on this arrow here, and you're going to see all the price points that will pop up over here, and here this will be your grand total for your wedding. Now, the reason why I do this is because I really want you to understand how much a wedding really can cost. And I'm just going to click on the rose really quick. Say it's $98 there plus the beverages. Let's go with the rose since it's the same thing. So if I'm going to this wedding by myself, I need to probably give a gift of $150. All right, you should be giving a gift that is at least, or not more, of how much it is to eat at these places. So if I bring a guest, I'm going to have to give a check for a gift for almost $300. All right, so just keep that in mind when you're thinking about your wedding and when you're going to weddings and on what you need to do and how much it's going to cost. All right, once you're done, you're done. Turn it in. All right, and I need both you and your partner to be submitting, and should look the exact same thing. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you later.